Stumbled across an NDIF file from an old Mac and wondering how to mount it? This is a legacy Apple disk image format from the classic Mac OS era. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll walk you through opening and converting these new disk image format files. Just so you know, the key to the final solution is understanding how to leverage a dedicated, high-value NDIF file inspection utility that offers versatile support for countless formats. NDIF files are new disk image format files used by classic Mac OS for distributing software and creating disk images before being replaced by the modern DMG format. They contain compressed disk image data with file system structures used for software installation and archival. NDIF files use Apple's proprietary new disk image format, with optional compression containing complete HFS or HFS Plus file system data resource forks and metadata following the classic Mac OS disk image specification, used primarily before Mac OS X adopted the DMG format. The specialized program designed to handle NDIF is Disk Utility by Apple. Windows native tools lack the decompression modules necessary for this file. Windows lacks full interpretation of disk snapshots, so viewing or mounting requires specialized software. Let's start the compatibility sequence. Right-click the NDIF file and choose Open With. Test Disk Utility if available. If it's not, choose another program. Different software often has better luck with specific NDIF variants. If your NDIF file will not open, do not worry. It simply means we can't rely on the initial software anymore. I need you to take these 3 direct actions to effectively isolate the file error. First, mounting on macOS. Double-click the NDIF file on macOS and Disk Utility automatically mounts the image as a virtual disk on the desktop. Modern macOS retains backward compatibility with NDIF format, allowing access to legacy disk images without requiring third-party tools or format conversion. Next, converting to DMG, use Disk Utility's convert function to transform NDIF files into modern DMG format. Open Disk Utility, select Images, then Convert and choose the NDIF file. Save as DMG with current compression options for improved compatibility with modern macOS workflows and easier sharing. Finally, accessing on Windows. Use HFS Explorer or Transmac on Windows to open NDIF files and access the contained Mac file system. These tools read classic Mac disk images, allowing extraction of files for use on Windows systems, though resource forks may not transfer perfectly across platforms. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.